In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable graphic acceleration in Brave browser. If you've been noticing screen flickering, black boxes on web pages, sluggish scrolling, or even unexpected crashes, turning off hardware or graphic acceleration can help. This setting lets Brave use your computer's GPU to speed up tasks like video playback and animations. It's great when everything works smoothly, but on some systems, especially with older drivers, virtual machines, or remote desktop sessions, it can cause display glitches. Let's walk through how to turn it off, step by step. First, open your Brave browser. If it's already running, that's perfect. Before making changes, it's a good idea to save any work in your tabs just in case you need to restart the browser. Next, look to the top right corner of Brave and click the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens a panel with your main controls and options. From that menu, click Settings. This opens a new tab where you can adjust how Brave behaves. We'll be heading to the area that controls performance-related options. In the Settings sidebar, select System. Depending on your version, you might see System right away, or you may need to expand a section labeled Additional Settings or Advanced to reveal it. Once you're in System, you're in the right place. Now find the option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is the switch that controls whether Brave uses your GPU. Click the toggle to turn it off. When it's off, Brave will rely on the CPU for rendering, which often resolves the visual issues I mentioned earlier. Keep in mind, turning this off can slightly reduce performance for video playback and animations, but it's usually worth it if you're troubleshooting display problems. After toggling it off, Brave will prompt you to apply the change. Click Relaunch. The browser will close and reopen your tabs automatically. If you had any unsaved input in Forms, make sure you saved it beforehand. When Brave comes back up, you're done. If you want to confirm, head back to Settings, open System, and ensure the graphics acceleration switch is off. If your issues improve, great. You can leave it off. If you notice choppy video or higher CPU use, you can always return here and turn the toggle back on. As an extra tip, updating your graphics drivers or your operating system can sometimes let you keep acceleration on without problems. That's it. Simple, quick, and effective.